chilling. Y'all gotta excuse that loud truck beside me. And this car in front of me just cut me off. Choc, tell everybody you said what's up, what happened. Tell everybody what happened. Yeah, y'all, we just sliding through the city. You know what I'm saying? Sliding through Broward. Choc, you want to drive? You told me you wanted to drive. Now you don't want to talk. Hey y'all, let me know in the comment section if y'all want me to let Choc drive or not. His birthday coming up on the 18th of this month. So I don't know if y'all want me to let him drive or not. He'll be the big 1 years old. Tell everybody you said what's up. Tell everybody you want everybody to come to your little birthday party. Cause you already know your mama gonna want to throw you a little party. Huh? I know you ain't hungry. Maybe you is. Seafood, your favorite food. Every time you see food, you eat. Yeah, man, we just sliding, bro. I ain't, nothing too major. Something light. You know what I'm saying? Choc, tell everybody you just sliding through the city. Huh? Tell everybody you say, why? What happened? Why? Tell everybody you sliding through the city, you know what I'm saying? Now you don't want to talk. Whoop the whoop this and whoop the whoop that. You was saying this and saying that. Now you don't want to talk. Hmm? Nice little day today. You going to see your big brother? Yeah, we sliding to go see his big brother. We got our little, we're having our little father and son time. We bonding, ain't it? I don't know what this car doing. Got in the other lane and he just completely stopped. Ain't nothing coming. Instead of him getting in the turn lane, he got in the regular lane to go straight. Y'all gotta be careful out here in these streets, man. They'll cut you off. You wanna listen to some music? I can't listen to music, bro. Cause you already know how YouTube play. They play for keeps. I gotta groom you, boy. Hey y'all, let me know in the comments if y'all want me to groom y'all dog. I be grooming him. You know, you gotta save that money some kind of way. I already I've been bought clippers or whatever. His hair grow back so fast though. That boy was looking like a model when I had cut him. Everybody thought I took him to the groomers. I said, nah, I did it myself. So y'all let me know if y'all want me to groom y'all dogs. Small dogs only though. I don't really mess with big dogs like that. I mean, I will, but you feel me? I prefer a little small dog. But yeah, man, just him. He just be chilling. Only time he bark is when he sees somebody. He'll bark at him, he'll growl at him. I guess he'd be overprotective over me. Especially when his mama be hit me, like she be playing like she hit me. He be trying to bite her. So, you know, vice versa. I be playing, me and her be playing around. He'll bite me, so you know how that go. But me, be real with you, I think he more protective over me. Even his mama said it. So, what you think, Choc? Tell them to let you know in the comments if you more overprotective over me or your mama. You gotta let them know. Okay, you looking right at the camera. You're a little model, ain't you? Yeah, y'all, I got a groom. He's looking kind of shaggy. Well, you already know he thugging it out. He got to thug it out. You feel me? So, right, Choc? Tell the people you just thugging it out. Hey man, I bought this little device right here. It's like a thing that vibrate and make noise when he started barking for no reason. But it don't work, so I don't know what to say about that. I press the little button to vibrate to, you know, get his attention. He'll look at me, but he'll still be barking. Press the other button to make that noise, beep beep, like a beeping noise, beep beep beep. Look out, he know what that means. Look, beep 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 beep. That boy still be barking. Only time he stopped when he in the house. Oh yeah, and by the way, y'all let me know if y'all want me to train y'all puppies. Cause I definitely train him. He could be in the house and you know, he got a little bed that got his name on it. It said Choc on it. And every time I say, get in the bed, he'll go in his bed and lay down and go to sleep. When I first got him, I used to like tie him up to his bed and let him go there. Now I don't need no leash no more. At all. I tell him to go in the bed, he automatically go in the bed. So he already know what that means. Tell him to sit, he sit. Tell him to stay, he stay. Tell him to get his toy. You know, he likes socks. His mama made him a little sock collection. She tied the socks up and let him just play with it. So yeah, y'all let me know. He definitely trained, and he, you know, these breeds are they very smart. So these miniature schnauzers, they're very smart. His big brother is a Staffordshire Terrier, so he trained too. He's smart. But yeah, this is what we do. We just be chilling, sliding through the city. You know what I'm saying? Straight like that. Look at him now. He's looking. But yeah, that's what we do. For the most part, just slide through the city, behind tents. This is my ace born right here. And his brother, my ace born too. But his brother too big to get in here. I mean, yeah, I know. I done slid with him a couple times. His brother like 80 pounds, 80, 90 pounds. Yeah, about 90. So tell everybody to like and subscribe to the channel if they want to see you more. You know what I'm saying? Tell them. You trying to talk? Huh? Talk to the people and tell them if y'all want to see me some more on the channel, y'all gotta subscribe to the channel. If y'all want to see Sir Choc. So y'all let me know in the comments, man, if y'all want to see Choc know what I'm saying? And I definitely upload more videos if y'all want to see Choc. But y'all gotta let me know. Y'all gotta slide in the comments and let me know. All y'all gotta do is say Choc. If y'all say Choc, I already know what that means. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we out, man.